Welcome! In this video, we'll show you how to link your Walmart Marketplace account to your Shopify store using M2E. First, log into your Shopify admin. In the left panel, click on Settings, then select Apps. Now, in the top right corner, click Shopify App Store. Use the search bar to type in M2E. You'll see M2E Multichannel Connect appear. That's the application you need. Click on it and hit Install. Then, confirm permissions and click Install one more time. The app will be added to your Shopify admin in a few seconds. Now, let's set up your M2E account. If you already have one, just log in. If not, click Register Now and fill in your details. This creates your profile on M2E accounts. Take a moment to review the terms and conditions, check the agreement box, and click Create Account. Next, you'll need to link your Walmart account. Click Connect Marketplace Account and choose Connect New Account. Select Walmart from the Marketplace list, then hit Connect. Select your region. Currently, only United States is available. Click Connect to proceed. You'll be redirected to Walmart Seller Center to authorize the connection. If you're not already logged in, enter your Walmart credentials. Once authorized, you'll be brought back to the app. And if everything is correct, your Walmart account is now linked. That's it. You're now on a 30-day free trial. Follow the app's setup guide to configure your products, inventory sync, and order settings. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.